guys! Welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time here, hi, my name is Sunny and welcome to my channel. So this shirt, I want to thank again Koreana Merch PH for my shirt which I won from their giveaway. So this is a large size shirt and amazing. It fits me. So thank you very much Koreana Merch PH. So life update. So why I have not been uploading for the past 4 months is number one, I was busy selling and buying my books. I'm selling my old books and buying new ones. I started reading again. So, for the past 3-4 years, I've been watching K-dramas and hindi na ako nagbabasa ng libro. And I joined this group in our community here in our area. And I decided to read again, so that is one reason. Number 2 reason is my kids started to go to school again, so meron silang online class with modules and everything. So, it's kind of an adjustment period for them, so I've been busy with that. But I'm still watching K-dramas for the past 4 months that I've been out of the radar from YouTube. And the ones that I've finished watching are It's Okay to Not Be Okay, which is really good. I think is the best K-drama for 2020 for me. And then I also finished The School Nurse Files, Record of Youth. And then as for the the main focus siguro of my quarantine time, I've been watching Korean variety shows. So Little Summer Vacation, Jung Yumi and Choi Woo-sik was already finished. It is 11 episodes on View. And then Hometown Flex is also finished with 11 episodes. Isunji Chateyon and directed by Yoo Ho Jin. And then my favorite my favorite variety show that but very short lang, has been House on Wheels with Song Dong-il, Hee-won, and Eugene Gu. I really like that variety show where they go around Korea every week and then they have a artista na guest. I really like that, but sadly tapos na siya and I was hoping na sana mayroon siyang season 2 and I hope next time they will guest Kim Yoo Jong. And also, the ones that I'm watching right now, the ongoings that I'm watching right now are Dodo Sol Sol, Lala Sol, Dodo Sol Sol, Lala Sol, and then I'm also watching Startup, and then for the variety shows, I'm still watching syempre, All the Butlers, and my ever-favorite 2 Days, 1 Night. So, what this video is all about is Kim Sun-ho. You know, I am very happy that finally, sumisikat na si Kim Sun-ho. As in, a lot of people have been tweeting about him, posting about him, and then, he's really famous now. So, I'm very happy being a 2 Days, 1 Night fan. I'm happy na nare-recognize na siya ngayon because he really deserves it. If you've been watching 2 Days, 1 Night, makikita mo doon yung kanyang side na talagang siya, candid, and he cries a lot and everything. So, as I have mentioned in my previous videos that 2 Days and 1 Night is my most favorite Korean variety show. I've been watching it since 2016. And nung napanood ko siya nung 2016, I actually watched the whole series from season 1, which is 2007, and then I really was amazed now of the growth of the show. So it is the first host of the show were like Kang Ho Dong and then Isunji, Jungmin, and then he joined the military, and then season 2 came, and then season 3 nga, which is my most favorite season siguro, like Chataehon, Defcon, Donggu, and the late Kim Joo-hyuk, and then Kim Jong Min and what's the other one? Junho. So, Kim Junho and Kim Jong Min now have this YouTube channel, Kim Dam, and you can watch that on YouTube. You can subscribe to them. I'm gonna put their link on the description box. Please support them. They are on their road to 100k subscribers. And then, they went on hiatus nga because of the KBS issue in 2019. And finally, in November of 2019, after a long while, they came back with season 4. So there, Kim Jong Min na lang yung natira from the original cast. And then they have Sun Ho and then all the other guys, Din, Ravi, and sino pa ba? Yung dalawa, I forgot their names. Basta yung asawa ni Han Ga-in. And then, Moon Se-yoon and Kim Sun-ho nga. So, Kim Sun-ho has been around for a short time pa lang in K-dramas. He started in 2017. So, he was been a theater actor for a while already, and he started doing K-dramas in 2017. Yung first time ko siyang nakita, as you all know, that Reply 1988 is my favorite K-drama of all time. So, as much as I can, I support all the cast there. So, kung meron silang mga bagong K-drama, I watch that. So, in 2017, there is Strongest Delivery Man. So, Go Kyung-pyo was the main lead there in Chae Soo-bin. And Kim Sun-ho was there. So, I was able to watch him the first time there, Strongest Delivery Man. And I really like him there. So, he's like a fresh face. So, that's the first time. And then, meron din siyang ka-love team doon. And that K-drama was so much fun. You should watch it if you haven't already. And then, I again saw him in Two Cups. Because, then again, Lee Yeri, the one who played Dukson, is the main lead there, the girl. And then, Jo Jung-sok is also the main character, which is one of the Korean actors that I also admire. I like him a lot. He's one of my top 5 actors, Korean actors. So, I also watch all his works. So, nandun din si Sun Ho. He is like a ghost there. And, basta, you should watch it also. And, he was also in Waikiki. But, I wasn't able to watch the season 2 of Waikiki. I just finished the season 1. So, sa season 2, nandun si Sun Ho. And then, he was also in 100 Days My Prince. So, ano siya doon? Nakahanbok siya and everything. So, it's, you should watch it also. And then, when, 2019 came nga, November, it was announced the new cast of Today's One Night. So, as I have mentioned, I was so happy, no, of the new cast kasi they have been 1 year na noong November 5 and Kim Sun-ho is getting this is getting more popular every day. And his I follow him in his IG. When I first started following him, sobrang konti lang ng kanyang followers. Siguro nasa 200,000 followers lang siya. And as the years go by, and just in the middle of 2020, nasa 500,000 subscribers lang, 500,000 followers lang siya on Instagram. But now, as of today, November 10, nasa 1.5 million na siya. He is gaining 100,000 followers a day. So, it's really good to see an actor, no, go through something like that, na a lot more people have been following them because if you have been watching Today's One Night like me, you could see that they have struggles also in their careers, and they are just also questioning their worth as a person, I think, because on the last episode, it's, I think, the 47th episode of Today's One Night, Sonho cried in there, so you should watch that. And also, it was revealed on the recent episode lang, last Sunday, episode 48, that Kim Son-ho has been a theater actor and is really good in theater. He was known in the theater and eventually he worked in the K-dramas nga. So, 'di ba, nakakaano lang siya. It's like a eureka. He's been working so hard and finally he's getting it. Just like the story in Record of Youth, where Sahejun rise up from being a model to be a famous actor. And it inspires us as ordinary people to rise up from where we are and work hard, and eventually maybe we could also be successful in whatever that we are doing. So that is it for this video. I'm just like updating what I'm doing right now because it's been a while. So next time, I'm gonna show you guys the books that I've been buying for the past six months, and I'm actually waiting for some of the books to arrive, so maybe we could unbox and I'm gonna show them to you. So thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!